All right, hi YouTube. It is Des here, and I'm going to do a. Let me move my charger cable. I'm going to do like a quick review, box opening of my Etoile girl. It is E-T. There we go. Etoile hair. I'm not French. I don't know how to speak French. I know how to say oui oui and voulez-vous coucher avec moi? Okay. So other than that, let's talk about the hair. So I ordered this hair from Etoile. Girl, I ordered it from this company, and I got 4 bundles. So I'm gonna show you. This is the 22-inch bundle, and I've got it in the body wave. It came in either natural straight or body wave, which meant it was steam processed to get this wave pattern. So I bought a 22-inch. It's very nice hair. The hair is like very dark, very beautiful. Matches my 1B hair exactly. Actually, it might be a little darker than my hair. It depends. We'll see. But the ends are very, very full. Very full, very nice. Nice, beautiful wave pattern, very shiny. This right here is the 20-inch. And yeah, this is how it looks. And I got another 20-inch right here. And I also got a closure. Now the closure on this one, on this hair from this company, is definitely different than any closure I've used before on any of my wigs. It's kind of got a reinforcement band all around the closure. I'm assuming my needle can get through it. It looks like it can get through it. But yeah, this is very different. I wonder how this is gonna work when I sew the hair into a wig. And this is a 16-inch closure, and I got so I got a 16-inch closure, 2 20s and 2 22s. Now you're wondering where's the other 22 girl. So let me scoot this hair on over. So I pre-washed the other 22-inch just to show you what it looks like. So there's still some body waveness to it. The hair is not as doesn't have as much as a curl pattern as the hair when it first comes, but it still has some wave to it. So this is what the hair looks like after it's been washed. Still shiny, still beautiful. I just deep conditioned it and hung it up to dry on on a hanger and just let it air dry. I usually don't blow dry my hair unless I am in a rush, and that's very rare because I know hair just like feels much better when it's air dried. I don't know, something about blow drying really manipulates the hair in a way I don't like. So yeah, I left the hair up to air dry. So I took it out the bundle. This is the weft of the hair, very thick. So this is one part of the hair, and there's so much hair on this weft. I'll flip it over, and you could see the beards of this hair. Excuse my manicure. I need to get a new one. And this hair is like, the hair on it is so thick. It's so full. It's not sparse like AliExpress companies. Very full from top to bottom. I like that. If you guys are wondering, I bought this hair with my own money. I'm not being sponsored. Nobody suggested this hair. I mean, I saw videos on YouTube, but the company did not send this to me. This is not paid for promotion. I bought this with my own money, so I'm not biased toward them. I'm just giving my true, honest review. But from the feel of the hair, very soft. I can run my fingers through it. I ran my fingers through the bundles that weren't washed. Hold on. Okay. I ran my fingers through the hair that wasn't washed, and I did have a few strands come out, and that wasn't good. It's kind of hard for me to show it here because I have one hand on the camera and one hand trying to touch the hair. So I wish, because there's better proof if it's on camera than me just talking about it. But when I ran my fingers through the hair in the bundle, I did get some hair that came out. That wasn't a good thing to go by, but yeah, that's one con of the hair. The hair, when I got it, it smelled like nothing. It smelled like they advertised it as unprocessed hair. This is the unprocessed 100%. Ooh, let me get that flash off. 100% raw unprocessed hair. This is from the Glam collection, and it smells like just freshly washed hair. There's no corn chip, no chemical smell at all to the hair, which really surprised me because there's so many vendors on AliExpress who claim to be unprocessed, blase blase, and when you smell it, it smells like a Frito-Lay bag. Like that's what it smells like. And I was really surprised to have this hair and it smells like just like your own hair, just washed. Just that was really cool. But yeah, so this is the hair. I got 4 bundles, a closure. I'm gonna make a wig very soon within this week. But first I want to bleach the knots on the wig. I mean on the closure first before I do that. And once I bleach the knots, I'll then construct the wig. And yeah, I've heard some people review the closure and say that it was very hard to bleach the knots. But I'm going to be using 40 volume developer and maybe that might help it a little bit, but I'll let you guys know if it doesn't go through, and I'll let you guys know. It, sorry guys, I'm trying to think and talk and hold the hair. I'll let you guys know how the closure comes out and show you what the knots will look like. It definitely needs to be plucked, to be honest, if I'm going to wear this on my head, and I might need to, I definitely will dye the lace because it's very light. You see how brown excuse my burn mark. I burned myself with a curling iron. Look at my dark skin compared to this closure. So I'll definitely have to dye that. And I have some dye. I've made plenty of wigs where I've dyed the closure, so that'll be nothing. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Sorry, that is the wrong words. Hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing review, and I will come back soon with a review of the hair once I make the wig. All right, YouTube, I will see you later.